Right, I'll just pause that to start a new lesson. Let's monitor an area. Let's see how to find customers. Right, so I'm going to go new board. So I live in Doncaster. Right, so I'm going to click in and go, here's the Doncaster post. I'm going to spend some time trying to find some new customers, right? So I'm going to go get started, and I'm going to do a search on Twitter for Doncaster. Maybe just Doncaster. I might do a Twitter search for Doncaster and scroll through. I might do a Twitter search for, which is a bit more of a defined hashtag. Doncaster is great. Right. I might want to search at DRFC. I don't know if that is a football teams. You know, anybody talking about a football team? I might want to search Instagram. Which one's my Instagram? Hashtag. Same again. Hashtag. Doncaster, right? Doncaster. So anybody posting, so I apologise if there's any nudity or anything dodgy comes up. Right, found a tree planted by Sir David Attenborough. A lovely day, Mammoth. Right, so if you're a Doncaster business, you might just drop in and just comment on that post. Not available. That's probably it. I'm not sure why it says not available on Instagram. You used to be able to post. You used to be able to comment on posts in Instagram. And maybe Facebook-wise, you're going to, as yourself, comment on, let's say Doncaster Council or something, right? Doncaster Free Press, Doncaster Council. So I'm going to look at Doncaster's Council's page. Maybe you do something in the council and you want to monitor this page and see comments. Ellie Bushfield. Here we go. Here's so pardon. What did you say? And you can reply to these people and you can, talk in these separate areas, monitoring your business, and you can define it even smaller if you live in a smaller area of that place, right? So it's a really good place to go and find customers. If you're into cats in Doncaster, reply to this. I love cats. I'm not going to put that, right? Whatever it might be, your business, you can filter your feed. So when you're logging in, you're coming to just what's important to your business, not the whole internet, right? Somebody once said to me, social media is like going down to a river and trying to drink it all in. What you need to do is somehow filter it and just put your glass in. Put your glass in and drink your glass. Don't try and drink the whole river. And I said this is like a river of, a river of crap, but you need to filter what's important to your business. So if you can get this so that you log in and go, right, interested, I've caught up on my stuff, and now I'm going to go and find possible customers in my area. Or I might have. And this is another great way to keep your customers happy, right? So what you can do, so if you go to Twitter, you might go something like this on Twitter. If you want to engage more people on Twitter, you might go here, go to here, go list, create a list, public or profile, put my customers, right? My customers, and I make it a private list. Next. Right, and then these people might be my customers. I'll say mycustomer.com. Let's go suggested. This is suggested. So pick out your customers. Go through your list and pick out your customers. Carrie Bennett is my customer. Kristen Curtis, customer James, Neil Bond. These are all my customers, right? So you go through your following and add them to this list. You can do it here as well. View list. Oh no, you used to be able to do. You can do add a remove from list. My customer. Save, right? Now when you go back to Hootsuite, you might have a customers here. Customers information. And you might go browse here, Twitter, list. My customers. And it's going to filter to what your customers have said. Or prospective customers, or whatever you want to do. And you can have all these different lists set up. So if a new anonymous two currents or something to do with old Trumpy, water packages limit. So if it's relevant to you, you can reply you can keep an eye on your customers, keep an eye on your competition, and do it all without logging in to, so now now it's set up, I don't have to do it within Hootsuite, right?